Bob? Bob, what are you observing?
Look at this light, Joe. What can you see?
Oh, you're observing that insect? You don't worry, I will kill it.
Hey, I'm observing the light, not that insect.
Come on, Bob. What's there in light to observe?
Then tell me, how many colors are you observing in this light?
What, Bob? Have you gone mad? What color will be there? It's white color.
Any other colors, Joe?
Colors? No. Can you see any other colors?
Yes, Joe. I can see 7 colors in this white light.
What? Don't bluff me. Where can you see? Show it to me.
If I show you 7 colors in a white light, what will you do?
First you prove it. Then I will tell you.
Okay, Joe. Actually, this white light consists of a mixture of 7 colors.
Is it? I don't think so.
Don't worry, I'll make you to think. I will show you these 7 colors with the help of my small setup. I have taken a glass prism, white bulb and white cardboard. Here we fixed a light beam in front of the prism.
Bob, what is prism?
A prism is a piece of glass or any other transparent material bounded by 2 triangular and 3 rectangular surfaces. In these 3 rectangular surfaces, one is base surface and remaining are refracting surfaces. When the light is switched on, a beam of light is passed through a rectangular prism. The white light splits and forms a band of 7 colors on a white cardboard. This is called spectrum.
Wow, it's so beautiful, Bob.
Joe, observe these 7 colors of spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This can be denoted by the word Vibgyor. This splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light.
Amazing, Bob. You're really genius.
I'm not. Isaac Newton is genius. For the first time, he observed 7 colors in a white light with the help of prism.